He had $0, no connections, no safety net. And just 5 years later, he was worth over $100 million. But here's the part nobody talks about. He almost quit. Because what he did wasn't lucky. It wasn't easy. And it definitely wasn't normal. In fact, most people would have given up in the first 30 days. So how did he do it? And more importantly, can you do the same? Let's break it down. He was broke. Not, I can't buy a coffee. Broke, I mean sleeping on the floor, skipping meals broke. Every morning, he woke up with the same pressure. How am I going to survive today? No degree, no rich parents, no backup plan. Just one thing, a decision. I refuse to stay like this. Get a job, work hard, climb the ladder. But something felt off. He realized, I'm trading time for money, and I'll always be stuck. Still, he kept going, until one day, he got rejected, again, and again, and again. At that moment, most people quit. He didn't. That's when everything changed. He noticed something strange. The people making real money weren't working harder. They were building systems, businesses, assets, income streams. So instead of asking, how can I make money? He asked, how can money be made without me? That question changed everything. He started small. No fancy office, no big investment, just a laptop and an idea. At first, nothing happened. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. 0 results. But here's the difference. He didn't stop. He learned, adjusted, improved. Slowly, things started moving. $10, $50, $200. Not much, but it was proof. Then, one day, it happened. A single idea exploded. Sales started coming in. Then more. Then even more. While he slept, money kept coming. That's when he realized, this is it. He didn't just create income. He created a machine. Now most people would relax. Not him. He doubled down, reinvested everything, scaled the system, automated the process. What started as $10 turned into $1,000, then $10,000, then $1 million, and eventually over $100 million. But here's the truth. It wasn't about the money. It was about the mindset. He didn't win because he was smarter. He won because he didn't quit when everything said he should. Oh, now the question is, if you were in his position, broke, tired, rejected, would you keep going? Or would you quit right before everything changed? Because the difference between $0 and $100 million isn't luck. It's the moment. You decide not to stop. Because here's something most people will never realize. The biggest opportunity in your life doesn't look like opportunity. It looks like struggle. It looks like failure. It looks like nothing is working. And that's exactly why most people miss it. Because they stop right before the moment everything changes. Think about it. How many times have you started something and quit too early? How many times were you closer than you thought, but you walked away? The man in this story, he wasn't special. He wasn't the smartest. He wasn't the luckiest. He just stayed in the game long enough to win. And maybe, right now, you're in that exact moment where nothing makes sense, where nothing is working, where quitting feels easier. But what if? This is the moment that decides everything. Because one decision, one more try, one more day, one more push can completely change your life. So don't focus on the $100 million. Focus on this. Don't quit. Because the story you just watched isn't just his story. It could be yours. Years later, people look at him and say, Wow, you're so lucky. They see the money, the success, the freedom, but they don't see the nights he doubted himself, the days he had nothing, the moments he almost gave up. Because success always hides its price. And the truth is, most people don't fail because they're not capable. They fail because they stop too soon. So if you're watching this right now, and you feel stuck, confused, or behind in life, just remember this. You're not starting from zero. You're starting from experience. And that means you're already closer than you think. One day, people will look at your life and say the same thing. You got lucky. And you'll smile, because you'll know the truth. It wasn't luck. It was every moment you chose not to quit.